Fixing common iOS app crashes. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix common iOS app crashes quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe the crashing app away. Next, restart your iPhone. Just press and hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. Now check for app updates. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon, and scroll down to see if the app has an update available. If it does, go ahead and update the app. Also, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. To check the update, go to Settings, then tap on General. In the General section, go to Software Update and install any available updates. Sometimes apps crash due to low storage, so head to Settings and then to General. Select iPhone storage, and here you can free up some space if needed. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone fixes and tech tips. See you in the next one.